Welcome back to How to Authority. In this video, I'll be guiding you through exactly how to delete your YouTube channel and YouTube account in general if you no longer need it for one reason or another. Now, the easiest way just to delete a YouTube channel is to go onto the desktop web app, then click on the little menu icon in the top left, and then go onto your settings. From there, you want to go onto advanced settings, and in a menu pop-up, you'll see the delete my channel button. From there, you'll obviously be asked to log in to confirm if you really want to do it. And after that, you'll also be given an option to either just hide your content or delete the content you've already published on YouTube as well. So you can tick those two boxes and then click on delete my content to remove all of that as well. Now, unfortunately, if you want to delete your YouTube channel on something other than a desktop, well, you can't. And YouTube have stated themselves that there's currently no way of doing so on, say, Android or iOS. Now, that's as far as it can go when it comes to deleting YouTube channels, because when it comes to your overall YouTube account, well, that's tied directly to your Google account. If you want to delete that, then first you want to go to this website to access your Google account. From there, click on Data and Privacy, and at the very bottom of the page, you'll find a button to delete your Google account. At the very bottom again, after a long list of all of the features you lose access to by deleting your account, there will be two boxes for you to tick. After you've done that, you can just click the Delete Account button, and it's gone for good. Again, that's a pretty drastic step, as that excludes you from pretty much all Google services. That includes stuff like, say, Gmail, Google Drive, your calendar, and much more. So if you just want to delete your YouTube channel, there's a much simpler way of doing that. But again, it really just depends on your situation and what you're planning on doing with your YouTube/Google account. Just do keep in mind that all of those services are very closely tied together, so what you do on one of them will definitely impact on your profile on another. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about how to delete your YouTube channel and YouTube account in general. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.